Hi, this is ArunJaganathan, and this is the screencast for computing environments and pipeline basics for CSC519 DevOps. At this point of time, I've already cloned this repository in my local, and I have initialized a Vagrant VM. I've also modified this Vagrant Vagrant file to have the sync folders from these two parts. So this is the local copy of the professor's repository, and this will be accessible inside the Vagrant VM since I've already added the path in the Vagrant file. Here I've already SSH'd into my VM, and we can see uh, the sync folders here. I'll just cd into the projects and express. Uh, Here we can see the two files, index.js and package.json. I'll just go ahead and do the npm install. So meanwhile, I've also added the stop command, which will essentially stop the forever, and the node modules are being installed, and you can see it reflected here any moment now. Yeah. So okay, so now that it is installed, let me go ahead and run npm run forever. This will essentially start the server, and I can see that on my host machine here. And if I reload this on my host machine, you can see the message from index.js here. Now if I go and run npm run stop, it should stop my forever, and if I reload this, the connection should be lost. Yeah. So this brings me to the end of the computing environment workshop, and let's move on to the pipeline basics. Next, I'll start off by demonstrating a simple hook, namely the post commit hook, for which I'll be initializing a repository here, and I'll be creating a post commit hook file. I've already created it, just copy pasted for my convenience. So this essentially will fire up a website which is our NCSU website. So I'll go ahead and create a dummy file named sample. So when I press enter, the post commit file will be executed, and we can see the website coming up, our NCSU website. So yeah. Now for the next part of the demonstration, I've already cloned the repository in my local, and you can see that here. And I also created the folder structure, and I'll go ahead and create a initialize a bar repository here. Next up, I'll have to create the post receive hook in the productions.git hooks. So this just basically set up the git work tree, and yeah. So um, now I'll have to add a remote for our app repository. I'll just do that in a moment. So I've already created it here. Yeah. Okay. So this essentially adds a remote named prod for our app repository. Now if I go and do git push prod master, the changes are being pushed, and we can see that in the production www. Now I'll just go into that folder. So this production www just acts as a production branch for us now, and I'll go into deploy production. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and do the npm install here, and I'll do node main.js, and I'll set the port to be 9000. Okay, so this essentially starts my server at 9000 from my production branch, from my supposedly production branch to be precise. And yeah, you can see the message here, hi from 105. So this brings me to the end of the screencast. Thanks for watching.